Hello, welcome back to our channel, Life Without Diabetes. To successfully fast, discipline is required, so I want to congratulate those of you who managed to do it. The benefits are numerous, but you can ruin them if you don't approach it correctly. Fasting helps you live longer because it activates a bunch of longevity genes, even genes that protect cells from disease. It reduces inflammation, raises growth hormone levels, improves insulin sensitivity if you're diabetic, and many other benefits. However, there are things that can destroy your results. You fast for too long. There are two types of fasting. One is intermittent, and the other is prolonged, only with water. Whenever you're doing prolonged fasting and not feeling well, that type of fasting is not right for you. You need to ease into it gradually. The source of your protein shouldn't be exclusively plant-based. Cholesterol is needed because it's necessary for building cell walls, tissues, hormones, vitamin D, and bile acid. Another mistake is doing too much exercise while fasting, which creates stress and you won't recover as well. Leave me a comment if you like the video and a suggestion for the future. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you can help us with a like and a share. Wishing you good health.